Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel sanamtutorial. Today we are solving mock test 9 for class 6 math annual exam 2024-25. This test is based on the chapter circles, an important topic for your exam. If you miss mock test 1 to 8, make sure to check them out in the playlist. Those cover other key chapters to help you score better in your annual exam. Now let's begin the mock test 9. So take pen and paper and start. First question. Dash is the part of a circle. So correct answer is arc. The first question answer is arc. Next. The number of chords that can be drawn in a circle, that is many. Also remember, radius and diameter and chord, we can draw many in a circle. Next question. If the diameter of a circle is 3, then what is the radius? First of all, remember the relation between diameter and the radius. So diameter equal to 2r and r equal to d by 2. So here is d is given. So r equal to 3 by 2, that is 1.5 centimeter. Next, the perimeter of a circle is known as circumference. It is important question. Circumference. Next, question number 5. A wire in the shape of rectangle of the length 5 centimeter and the breadth 3 centimeter, which is bent to form a circle. Okay. Bend to form a new circle or circle means the perimeter of the square, rectangle is equal to perimeter of the circle. Yes or no? Because same wire. That's why perimeter is same. So we can write length of rectangle equal to 5 centimeter. Now breadth equal to 3 centimeter. Now we can write perimeter of rectangle equal to 2 into L plus B, that is 2 into L equal to 5 plus 3, that is 8 into 2 or 2 into 8 equal to 16 centimeter. Now according to question we can write circumference of circle equal to perimeter of rectangle. Now we can write perimeter of rectangle is 16. So answer is 16 centimeter is circumference of circle. All of you clear? Next. Draw a circle of radius 4.2 centimeter. So by using compass, okay, take 4 centimeter and circle it. Now draw its longest chord. So longest chord is this, or diameter is known as longest chord, and name it, that is A, B. Center is O, suppose this is P. So OP is a radius, AB is a diameter or longest chord. Longest chord is also known as diameter. Next, draw a line segment XY of 8 centimeter. Okay, first draw and name it, that is X and Y. So at X, draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter. Then at Y, draw a circle of 3.8 centimeter. So we observe that two circles are externally touched. Two circles are intersect at point A and B. Okay, so write down, we observe two circles are intersect at point A and B. Next question and the last question. How many radii are there? Okay, count. Radi means from center to the circumference, that is OC and OE, OA, OB. So how many? 4. So answer is 4. Name all chord. So first chord is AB. Second one is BD and DE. Then AC, because diameter is also a chord. Then BE. These are the all chord. Is OX is a chord? No. So answer is no. Name two semicircle. The two semicircle are CBA. So first of all write a diameter, then also write a point. So CA is a diameter, then put a point, that is B in middle. So it is a semicircle. Also you can write CEA, or you can write BAE, okay, or you can write BDE. These are the semicircle name. Clear? So that's end the mock test 9. I hope this session help you understand the chapter circle thoroughly. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Don't forget to join to my channel, Telegram or WhatsApp group for PDF and the update. Thank you for watching. Best of luck for your exam. I will see you the next video. Keep practicing and take care.